Okay guys, let's see how to pass other payment entry. So what is other payment? We will use this transaction for advance payment to employee, medical college, NGO, vendor, etc. And also we will use this document to pay GST, TDS or other payment. So for that we just need to click on accounts and finance tab, then click on payment and select other payment. Here you will see a pop-up in front of you. Okay, after clicking on add button, select document, that is advance payment, bank book, then enter amount in paid column, write down the narration, then click on add line item, select advance payment. Here you can select ledger type, employee, like employees, block peripheries, vendor, other institutions like medical college, NGOs. So now we will select employee here. Now account ledger will be advanced to staff. Then enter amount here. Let's say we have given advance 50,000 to our employee. Then double click on amount, that is paid column, double click on it. Then click on add line item again, select that employee name. Let's say if it is Vilas Pawar, we have selected Vilas Pawar. Advance given to him 10,000. Then again click on add line item, select another employee, let's say Chandrasekhar Gowda, and advance pay to him 40,000. So entry is created for this. Then double click on paid column again. Now our entry is done. If you want to check, you can check by clicking on documents, preview posting. See here, bank account 50,000 credit and advance to staff 50,000 debit. Folio name will show you the person name who is taken advance, and our entry is done. So you can save this document by clicking on save button. And if you want to pay GST, TDS and other payment, you will simply click on document and select bank payment. So after that the same process will follow which we have done right now.